Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add daily goals in Finch app. Finch is a digital companion designed to assist users in maintaining daily habits and enhancing productivity. Finch functions not only as interactive virtual pet but also a motivational tool, providing visual feedback and rewards for completed tasks. By integrating habit tracking with a customizable companion, Finch encourages consistent goal setting and personal growth. So first you need to launch your Finch app and make sure you already have logged in and you have an app. If you do not, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And once you reach into this Finch dashboard, in the top left there's a three-lined icon. Select to this three-lined icon here, and over here you can find my goals just below the activity. Select to your goals. Over here you can simply add in the top right corner of the plus icon of your goals. Here you can also enter the suggestion from the Finch app over here, and you can add on the area, anytime or daily. If you want to go for more option, here you can find the reminder, repeat, daily, add of the day, and to an area. And after you're done, you can select save on the bottom. You have just created a goal. And by regularly adding and completing daily goals in Finch, users can enhance productivity, build healthy routines, and engage with their digital companion in a meaningful way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.